cute? Within one single overnight, they all got aligned. All of them. They got aligned towards the sky, the sun. Lovely, isn't it? I can prepare many more such shells and plant the same plant. And anybody interested? Book it with me. Book the order. We can grow even what is that called? All the water plants and pudina and the other one, the that what is that called? Kadu coriander. Mm, that is Mexican coriander. Even that can be grown in one such pot. It is going to rise up and not going to cover this craft made by me. Isn't it cute? Oh, wonderful. Have a nice swing along with rest of my. There is one more. Hold on, I'll show you. Here it is. I did repot the mother plant. Sorry, not repotting. I did cut the mother plant of this planted in a coconut yet again. That was a hanging arrangement that done, but this pot, it's I haven't drilled the holes to hang it, so I have got a temporary base for that. So this is yet another creation of mine made today. How is it? Leave a comment. See, this plant is so easily available in all parks and that and this wherever you go. Any garden, public garden, it will be available. But potting it in the right way, like this, as a bonsai, is a tough thing to do.